Unity is of utmost importance for society as well as the whole country. Strength is always with unity is a popular phrase, and it is true to its every word. Unity represents togetherness. Therefore, it is standing together for every thick and thin matter. There are many stories as well as real-life incidences, have proved that unity always leads a harmonious and fulfilling life for all. On the other hand, many people still do not understand the importance of staying in unity. People keep fighting over insignificant things, and at last end up with loneliness. Towards common goal unity, people in unity look forward to work towards a common goal instead of satisfying their own selfish motives. People love their nation, as well as their fellow citizens. Therefore, it is the fact that they would be able to grow with a better lifestyle only when there is national development. And it is but obvious that national development is possible only when they maintain unity, hence, this goes a long way in the development of the nation. Advantages of unity. Here are some of the advantages of unity. Help and support. People help each other and provide moral as well as financial support when it is needed. On the other hand, living in isolation will make anyone feel insecure and introvert. Good guidance. It is a proven fact that when we stay united, then we may seek guidance from others them for both personal and professional matters. Proper growth. Staying united is good for our growth as well as the nation's development. This is also good for the family in particular and all-round development of children. Source of motivation. When we work together, we are motivated and encouraged to work harder. Also, we push each other to accomplish the goals, and this works as a great motivational factor. Greater accomplishment. When we work together as a team, we are able to accomplish greater goals which might not be possible alone. Fighting a mission. Fighting a mission becomes much easier when there are more numbers of people involved. Indian National Movement for Freedom is the best example. Many social evils and unjust practices have been fought and eradicated in the past only because of unity among people. Government's role in building unity. Unity can be achieved if each individual is ready to leave his individual interests and work for the betterment of the nation as a whole. Undoubtedly, this spirit must be in them. But the government can play an important role in building unity among people. Few steps in which this can be achieved are as follows. End corruption. A country can never be prosperous if its political system is corrupt. So, the political leaders must be chosen with utmost care. Also, the government must make it possible imposing the required legal measures. Lower economic disparity. There is a lot of economic disparity in our country. As we can see that rich people are becoming richer day by day and the poor are getting poorer. This makes the poor people adopt the criminal means that hamper national development. The government must bridge this gap. Educate people. People must be educated about many things related to the country's development and also about the importance of unity. This should be made a part of the school curriculum. Many other means are also there through which it can be emphasized. Conclusion. Thus, we see there are uncountable benefits of staying in unity. We can accomplish big tasks, rely on the people in times of need, and nurture youth power in a better way. Safety and security can be assured by the national unity. Every citizen must work towards having full unity in the country.